Hello, hello, hello. Our Get to the Point video today is about when the best time is to sell your house. And my answer to that is when you're ready. And the reason for that is because, yes, there's seasonal things. Yes, people will tell you spring is the time to do it or summer is the time to do it. Don't sell them during the holidays. I have to tell you that the best time to sell your house is when you need to sell your house. If you look at the ratio of buyers to sellers, yes, there are fewer homes on the market in January. Yes, there are more homes, on the market in April. But you know what else? There's fewer buyers in January and there are more buyers in January. So if you look at the ratio of buyers to sellers, there's really not a bad time to sell your house. So you need to do it when it's right for you. Also, the market is going to shift, the market's going to change, but at the end of the day, you have to do what's best for your family. By the way, I will just give a little plug to kind of what's happening in the market right now. Do I have a couple of listings that have been sitting for a minute and haven't sold for whatever reason? Absolutely, that's happening in this market. But the other thing that's happening in this market is we are getting multiple offers in some places at some price points. I just sold one this weekend. Literally listed it on Friday morning and had 2 offers by Sunday afternoon. Okay, so it is happening. Anyway, all that to say, when is the best time to sell your house? When you need to sell it. That is the answer. If you are on the fence about selling your home, if you need to talk to someone about this process and all of that, we do have a seller seminar coming up. It is on April 2nd. I just went blank. Could you see my brain working? It is on April 2nd. We are going to do it live in person and online. So you can get engaged on the Zoom link, webinar link. You can ask questions that way, or you can come into our office. We'll have light snacks and drinks and you can come hang out with us here and do it in person. So if you have questions and you want to come to that, we would love to see you. But once again, the best time to sell your house is when you have a personal need to do it. Thanks so much. Y'all have a good one.